The International Newsnet World Report is a national television news show available in more than 30 million homes. We broadcast daily real news the networks won't tell you. We are solely viewer-supported. That means you. You can donate at our website, inenworldreport.net. We hope you find the following interview informative and helpful.
September 11th, 2001, two airplanes hit World Trade Center Towers 1 and 2. Subsequently, both towers collapsed shortly thereafter. Many questions still linger about why the towers came down. Witnesses, including firemen and building employees, heard explosives before and after the plane's impact. Others have come forward saying that the structural damage caused by the planes and the heat from the fires which followed was not sufficient to bring the towers down. A third building, World Trade Center 7, a 47-story steel structure, which was not hit by planes, also came down in symmetrical fashion shortly after 5 p.m., also on September 11th. Observers, including news anchor Dan Rather, said the collapse looked like a controlled demolition. The NIST report issued by the government and echoed by Emmanuel Garcia in his article for Counterpunch entitled Dark Fire attributed the collapse to fires. The first time that a steel building has come down from fire. Speculation has been so great that Rosie O'Donnell, host of daytime ABC show The View, has taken on the issue. Many scientists around the country have also taken on the debate. Joining us now is physicist Crockett Grabbe, who received his PhD in applied physics from Caltech, worked 2 years at the Naval Research Labs in Washington, D.C., and has spent the last 26 years teaching at the University of Iowa and working on special problems for the U.S. government. His credits include more than 7 books and 100 papers. He is also the head of Sea Lane Consulting. Professor Grabbe now joins us from the University of Iowa. Welcome.
Nice to be here.
Professor Grabbe, NIST and Garcia say that WTC-7 collapsed because of thermal weakening of their frames, or that one of the building's major bridging supports or trusses was heated to the point of exhaustion by the burning of stored diesel fuel. What's your understanding of what happened that day?
Well, I basically disagree with Garcia. Garcia put forth a plausible argument for how this could have happened. And the forces he describes are quite logical. But there's one problem. It doesn't agree with the data on the collapse. Let me mention 3 facts to you. First of all, the collapse was very rapid. For example, the building was 580 feet about tall. Suppose you sit on a building 580 feet up and throw a brick over it. That brick hits the ground in 6 seconds. Well, guess what? The World Trade Center 7 collapsed in less than 7 seconds. It was almost like the whole building came down in free fall. Like the building would have turned into liquid water, for example, and suddenly the liquid water just splashed down. Clearly, that disagrees with Garcia's model, because with the collapse that he talks about, due to fires and working and so on, energy and momentum would not allow you to get a collapse in 7 seconds. It would take much longer than 7 seconds for that building to collapse. Second of all,